Hey folks, welcome back to the Dirigo Customs YouTube channel. Today we're looking at a Seiko SRPE55 that we're going to be laser engraving. This particular watch is pretty special to me because my parents gave it to me for Christmas of 2021. There's already lots of technical information out there available for you to review on this particular model, and I'd encourage you to do it because it's quite a nice piece, especially for the price. But in the meantime, just sit back and watch the fireworks. And here's the final product after just a little bit of cleaning. Thanks again for stopping by to check us out. Please like and subscribe.